Hey guys, it's your favorite art teacher, Arthur Fly, and I'm back for this month. I miss you guys so much, and thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for watching up my videos. Please remember to like and share. Guys, I miss you guys so much. I miss vlogging. I miss talking to this camera. Actually, I'm using my phone and not my actual camera. No, but I still miss you guys so much. I will be posting a video every day this month. Remember, I spoke to you a couple videos ago that I have a lot of videos and there's no space on my laptop. Yes, so I've edited some of those videos. So now this December, I am going to post them for you guys. So I'm not going to do like a blog mass or an art mass this year, but we'll see. I will post one and two videos like these daily vlogs, but it's not going to be a long thing or anything like that, but I will be posting, so just watch out for those videos. All right guys, and